friends. So as you all know that we already perform a lots of funny dramas. So this time we prepared a meaningful drama. So our drama is depend on time and the parts of time. So shall we start? So I'm time. I never stop for anyone. I divide in three parts: present, past, and future.
I'm past. What is already gone, that's me. I contain a lot of memories. Something is good, something is bad. A memory is something that you remember from the past. Never forget thus memory that makes you both cry and laugh. Memory, some memory are unforgettable, remaining and heartwarming. You cannot change me, but you can learn from me.
I am future. I am unpredictable and uncertain. If you do hard work in your present, then you are able to achieve me. I am beautiful because you are every time thinking about me in your daydreaming and hope.
I'm present. This moment, what is going on now, it is present. I have power to change your future and make your past beautiful. If you do hard work in your present, you can make your future more beautiful. And if you want to be happy, so happy in your present because it your future and it is also your past. This much is from our side, and thank you.